Welcome to part 10 of the mini golf marble machine build. In this video, I'm going to finish the painting on the tracks. What you see right now is a half-painted machine. There are a few more colors to add, and then I spend quite a bit of time cleaning up where I had painted outside the lines. There are 4 tracks in the machine, and so each track is assigned a color. The track will then be accented with that color. I have already begun doing that with orange and blue, and will now continue to do that on the other tracks. The other colors will be yellow and red. I decided to make the Plinko section yellow. There are 17 little pieces to that section that were carefully painted. The track of the 3/4 turn is connected to the large spiral, and so this piece was painted orange to match. The last track was accented with red. I may add some detail to make it look like a brick wall, but that can be added later. The hole before this will feature a red cottage to continue the cohesive colored track theme. Next, I moved on to the front wall. I spackled and sanded down the rough edges, then painted it gray to match. The catch basin was painted gray as well. Then, I simply spent some time cleaning up the overall look. I touched up all the colors, including the green. This was the time to sharpen where I had painted outside the lines. And that's it for this video. All the painting on the tracks are done. There may be some touching up to do down the road, but that will be as needed only. In the next video, I will build a little red cottage to be placed on the hole before the red windy path.